quite there yet.
That's why we're gonna buy one.
Yeah? You heard it here first. We're buying a van, guys.
And then a farmhouse.
Where are all the other people following Jesus?
Wait, is it filming? Hello, people of the
Internet.
of
the web.
the
interwebs. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we have a little story time to start off this vlog.
So, last night was supposed to be a Forrest Frank concert, but then the thunderstorm happened and they quit the Forrest Frank concert. Mom got sick, threw up because of flies.
Because of fries. Some people can't drink too much alcohol. Tiffany Beaston can't eat too many fries.
No, I literally, because I'm not used to eating fries. So, yesterday I started filming a little bit. Chris went and picked up this amazing van that we're in. Now all my kids want a van.
With a TV playing Bolt right now. Yeah, you hear
Bolt in the background a little bit. So he picked up this beautiful van from Turo. I'll do like a little van tour in a second here. We took that to church, which was a lot of fun. The kids will show the back. We'll do a little tour. Chris's dad has been coming to church with us too, which I absolutely love.
We can do magic tricks in the back seat. Oh yeah, magic tricks. I made the gummies disappear.
Oh, did they go in your belly?
No.
I'm drinking my decaf Dunkin', and we're here. We're at Hershey Park. So we came here. We stayed in the beautiful Hershey Inn and Suites.
Here it is. Wait, there's bunk beds?
I call this bed.
When you don't remember booking? And you're, yeah, right? This is cool.
Oh, there's a big puffy blanket. Ashley, let me see. It's my big puffy blanket.
Just be careful up there. I'll take Mom's place and say.
I eat this. Yo, who thinks I can jump in that bed?
Why don't you start with half and then save half for later, okay?
Went to the concert as soon as we got there, which was a little bit late because we know it doesn't usually go on right away. It was actually a blessing that we got there late. They evacuated the stadium at Hershey. There's people that are pouring out. Luckily, we were just in there, so we
I heard Tori Kelly did perform it.
Did
and then,
she?
Yeah, right when she finished, they started clearing people under the bleachers if you were already in there. Luckily, we got to go inside the chocolatier.
Yeah, but we were one of the first people in there, and we were also one of the first people out once they canceled.
So we didn't get wet. We didn't get wet that much, only when we were walking out because there was a bunch of puddles.
Basically, I was feeling terrible when we were waiting. I was starting to feel more and more sick. I had a migraine all day.
We got to the stadium like 45 minutes ago, and they stopped letting people in. Now we're all crammed into the chocolatier because it's downpouring, and we don't know if the concert's actually going to happen or not. It did happen at Walker Hayes too. This is like a concert thing for us. But let me just turn this around and show you guys what it looks like in here real quick.
And once we got back to our hotel room, I barfed and fell asleep. So it all worked out. I feel fine today. I just need to make sure I can eat continuously. That's the thing. I think I didn't get to eat enough yesterday with all these allergens and everything lately. I feel like it's so hard to find food to eat.
Oh,
anyway.
and Mom, can you take a video of us going on the roller coaster that goes upside down? And I'm so excited for that. And also, last night, Dad interrupted my shower because of Mom.
We had to get her out of the shower. Did you really want to shower with me puking?
Kind of, she said.
She's just taking her sweet time. She's like, Evie, come on, time to get out. Mom needs to get in here.
I'm like dry heaving over try. Anyway, stop being gross, guys. We're here at Hershey Park. We're gonna have an amazing day. I feel really bad for people that had to
drive from like all the way.
Where's Carter? Where are you?
All the way from Ohio to here, and they had to go back home and didn't even see.
They had work and stuff, so we're still very blessed that we're able to be here, and it's all gonna be worth it. So
yeah,
let's go have some fun.
Oh wait, he needs to tell something. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Guys, in the middle of that.
So it's 11 o'clock and we're gonna get into the park, have a field day, and then Forrest Frank tonight. But first, I gotta show you this van.
Yeah, I gotta show you this van first. Where's Evie? Where's Evie? Stay right there. All right, come in.
Oh my god. This amazing.
No one has to call shotgun. There's 2 shotguns.
Watch the TV. Oh my gosh. And there's 2 remotes.
And they said there's lots of movies to choose from. It's like a DVD player.
Oh my god. What's in right now? Alright guys, let's see. Let's see if it works.
Turo is the better way to rent whenever you need a car. Renting a car on Turo is so easy, so simple. You find exactly what you're looking for. There's so many different filters for you to choose exactly what you want. You can choose if you want something waiting at the airport for you, if you want to pick it up at someone's house, which is what we did this time because it was local. Whatever you're needing, there's something for you. So we just typed in our location, the dates we wanted, exactly what we were looking for, and we found the perfect vehicle for our family. That's one of my favorite things about Turo too, is that you can choose the exact car that you want. You see the pictures of everything inside, so you know exactly what you're getting, plus you can see reviews. Put in how long you need it, it's perfect. I also love that there are so many different options depending on what you need, from family vehicles like this to SUVs, EVs, and even luxury cars. Plus you can skip the long lines at rental counters and get on the road faster. Anyone traveling soon for summer, definitely check out Turo. It has been so nice. In the past, we've had to like rent from rental car places, or like when you get to the airport then go wait in a line for a rental car. This is so much less stressful. Again, if you're traveling soon for summer or for whatever you need, be sure to check out Turo. Turo is available at over 170 airports across the US and Canada. Have it delivered to your home, to your hotel, or you can go pick it up. So incredibly convenient, especially when traveling with kids. Rent a summer-friendly car, not just a rental car.
Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Ah!
I got burned like 1,000 times.
You did. You're a crazy driver like your mom. She definitely gets her driving skills from you.
Can you come to Daniel going again?
Tanner's gonna cross his pants. Backwards, oh my god. He's a brave man.
Holly Rancher was terrifying.
I don't know.
But fun.
Another ride at White.
I think. While we have a quick second, just wanted to ask you guys, are you amusement park people? Because I don't think we
love
are.
it for them, but like now I'm good for like 5 more years and we'll come back again.
I'm ready for the water park.
Yeah, happy birthday.
That was really scary. You didn't look scared. You're a boss. There's Evie. Oh wait, you can't see. You couldn't see Evie. Dinner of champions. We got some Starbucks. Tiff's eating mush. Doesn't get any worse than that. But we did hear that there's food trucks in the concert, so maybe. And it is 6:15 already. So right there, the chocolatier. I think that's where it is. That's part of it. Yeah, over that way. Is where we were last night. See, there's the merry-go-round. And we're gonna go in. I think we're gonna see if we can get some merch. And and then we might have to go like recharge literally our phones and everything else before we go in. Maybe get ourselves ready. We don't have a hotel room anymore, so we can't get showered up, but maybe we can refresh a little bit after our Starbucks.
Mush and decaf.
Mush and decaf.
Could be worse.
Hey guys, we finally made it. We're walking into Forrest. We're all nice and recharged. I'm caffeinated, ready for my long drive home tonight. I know, that van is...
I was telling the kids, people live out of a van and put videos on YouTube about it.
Let's sell the house and live out of a van like that.
That van is legit.
I don't know if we're quite there yet.
That's why we're gonna buy one.
Yeah? You heard it here first. We're buying a van, guys.
And then a farmhouse.
It's Carter's van. He's gonna drive it when he turns 17.
Yeah.
6 short years.
Corey Kelly from the Figs, they said.
Oh, nice. All right, we're walking up to the Figs. Let's see if we can show you guys some of the concert. To our seats, look at this. How sick is that? Evie, you gonna stay awake this time?
She said I did listen to some of the songs last time. She did.
Before falling asleep. Such an amazing atmosphere here. Like, just can't even replicate it.
Life gave us some lemons, but our Jesus, he been making. Where's yours? What's the cheers?
Lemonade, lemonade.
Y'all, can we just celebrate literally all of the kids? You guys sponsored over 1,000 kids tonight. That's something to celebrate all over this place. Come on, Hershey. That's amazing. That's incredible.
Where is it? There it is.
Hershey Park Stadium in Hershey, Pennsylvania, to glorify the King of the universe, the man from Nazareth, the one, the only, Jesus Christ.
Do you see what's happening? We will. Here's our life. Take it and make it yours. Lord, sing.
Where are all the other people following Jesus? You are good. All the time. You are good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Come here.
Up. We're on our way home. We are estimated to be home at
1:10 a.m.
1:10 a.m. We got a couple of stragglers awake watching, what is it?
Despicable Me 2.
That's my favorite one. With like the chips and salsa hat. Moms know what I'm talking about. But I'm vibrating, like delirious, like way past my bedtime. Chris, thanks for driving us home. You're the best.
I might have to stop for a coffee, but
Really?
I mean, we'll see. It took us a good 45 minutes to get out of the parking lot.
Yeah, it did.
So,
Everything was so worth it, guys. There's nothing like worshiping with 40,000 people. Can you imagine? So amazing. It's cool too because we went to his first tour, which was the Child of God tour with all the kids, and we all had an amazing time. Same thing this time. Now this is the Jesus Generation tour. So I said this has got to be our family thing. Whenever he goes on tour, we got to go.
and Evie's got to fall asleep on me at the end.
Yep, every time she does. She fell asleep during Lemonade. But I think like that, she loves all of the songs, so she wasn't too sad about it. But I guess I'll update you when we get home. I can't wait to see my puppies. I miss them. And I can't wait to wash my water cup and drink out of the same cup for like 3 days.
It's gonna be hard not to shower tonight, but I don't know if a 1:30.
I don't know if I cannot shower. I feel like I need to shower.
I'm just gonna pass
We were
out.
literally at an amusement park all day, got changed in the car. Ew, you're not allowed to sleep in my bed actually unless you shower.
Maybe I won't.
Alright, so I think this is, we'll update you when we get home. You think we'll be alert enough to do it?
No.
We might seem delirious. I'm already delirious actually.
Hour
But
36 right now, so no.
We got this, just a quick 94 miles.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
It is 1:41. Everyone's asleep. I had to shower. I could not. Chris showered too, but he's already passed out. So happy to be back with my baby. Child. Benny Boops. Marilyn smelled it up with Chris, by the way. But I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.